My name is Rom Beltran, R-O-M-E. This is my second vlog. The reason why I studied this knowledge is to share with you. To know yourself well, like me, my family, and my friends. This was based on Pythagoras, the Greek philosopher, who is the founder of numerology. Now I'm gonna show you the source of my knowledge. It's a voluminous book that I compiled. First, this book, The New Age of Numerology, by Len Boyce. The second numerology book is The Science of Numerology by Newcastle Classic. Another numerology book, which is authored by Ellen Dodge. This is A Numerology Magic by Richard Webster. This is another numerology book by Hal Lingerman. Another numerology book by Michelle Buchanan. Numerology book and a Divine Triangle by Faith Javen and Dusty Bunker. Numerology book by Hans Dicos. Another book of numerology, Your Soul Contract Decoded by Nicholas David Ngan. This is the book of Glennis McCann, Love by the Numbers. Another numerology book by Anne Borton. This is the second book of Glennis McCann. Glennis Has Your Number. Another book from Idiot Guides. Another book by Kay and Lizard. They have both PhD. And this is my last book, which is the Science of Numerology, The Hidden Meaning of Numbers and Letters by Shirley Blackwell Lawrence. These books are my references, which I try to compile. And with these books, I know myself very well. The purpose of my life. You know what? How do you know that your boyfriend or your husband, you are compatible? With this knowledge, the 9 numbers that I'm gonna discuss with you, like your life path, your heart desire, your attitude, your maturity, physical, emotional, mental, and intuitive, plus your karmic, If these numbers are contradicted, if 6 of 7 of them contradicts each other, you know what? Maybe you want to go to the right and your partner you will go to the left. But there is also a solution for that. And I'll give you these solutions. If you want to know more, you can ask me. You can email me in my email address rsbeltran99@yahoo.com. Now I'm gonna show you the first example of what I found, which I put in the board. This one. This, if you were born in 1987, you add that number, like 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7, it will be 25. And you add that to the year you were born, which is 2012. That is the turning point of your life. There is an important things that happens in your life. By the way, if you were born from January to July, that age will be 25, but after July, your age will be 25 or 26. So be very careful in assessing your number, because that is in between. I'm gonna discuss with you more, and I'll give you an example how to do it with a simple number, with a simple equation. You will know, because you know what, if you make this triangle, you will know also your life cycle. You cannot change your birthday, can't you? Okay, until my next vlog, please, if you have time, just subscribe or like, which I appreciate it very much. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life. Thank you.